Steak.
Anything with lots of zip.
Sushi.
Princess Bride.
Star Wars.
The Replacements.
I like quirky movies. I'll go with Oh Brother, Where Art Thou?
The Moonwalk.
I like salsa dancing.
Spring. Early spring.
Spring.
I like places where you don't really have seasons, but I guess living in California, like going to college in San Luis Obispo, it felt like spring all the time, so maybe that's what I guess I like spring.
A good wedge of Parmesan cheese.
Yogurt. Greek yogurt.
Let's see. Ranch dressing. That's a kid thing.
Tea.
Tea, of course.
Tea.
Coffee.
Wastefulness.
Pet peeves.
People who don't use turn signal. Come on, is this so difficult?
Be patient.
Don't be afraid. Be bold.
Smile more.
Spend the day on Mars.
So I'd probably run around and take lots of pictures.
Sand dune driving.
Hey, you're on Mars. That's good enough.
Don't worry, be happy.
I believe I can fly. I don't know, that just comes to mind.
Ooh, that's a tough one. Russian language.
Physically, it's spacewalk training, and mentally, it's Russian language.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Frederick Douglass.
And I don't know, actually. How about that?
Dark chocolate.
Sleeping during meeting.
I get to do so many amazing things in my life. When I have the time and can afford to do nothing, I really like to do nothing.
Oh, parent, by far.
Being a parent.
Parent. Hands down.
Hopper.
IKE. It's an acronym, stands for I Know Everything. It's a reminder to never pass up a good opportunity to keep my mouth shut.
Walking on the moon.
To work on the surface of the moon. That's a dream, absolutely.
I want to spend a single day without any calendar events.
An officer in the United States Air Force.
Therapist. I'm good at listening to other person's talk. Believe me.
I'd still be flying, but the other thing I loved doing was working with students. Being in a classroom is one of the most meaningful things I've ever done, even to this day.
Karaoke.
Anything with my family.
If I could fly more, I would fly more.
Commander of time machine.
So the kids say it should be telekinesis, but I think to fly.
Teleportation.
To fly. I think we have a trend here.
I got a sweet tooth.
Probably Mexican food or Indian food. Or maybe Thai food. Good question.
I would say Moroccan and Indian.
Favorite decade? Wow. Favorite decade? Right now?
80s? Because the 80s.
1980s, because I was young and stupid, in that order.